The Tractive GPS Pet Tracker for Dogs is a waterproof and durable device that ensures your dog's safety with real-time GPS location tracking. Featuring unlimited range, it allows you to monitor your dog's whereabouts from anywhere. The Smart Activity Tracker also keeps tabs on your pet's fitness levels, helping you track exercise and health goals. Available in Midnight Blue, this lightweight tracker is perfect for pet owners who want peace of mind while their furry friends explore. Amazon Basics dog and puppy pee pads are designed for easy potty training with a leak-proof, quick-dry surface. These pads offer standard absorbency to lock in moisture and prevent messes, making them ideal for puppies and smaller dogs. Measuring 22 by 22 inches, the regular-sized pads come in a pack of 100, providing convenience and reliability. The blue and white design ensures cleanliness and odor control, helping maintain a neat environment during training. Earth-rated dog poop bags offer guaranteed leak-proof protection, ensuring a mess-free cleanup with their extra-thick design. This refill pack includes 270 lavender-scented bags that mask odors, adding a pleasant touch to dog walks. Durable and easy to use, these bags are designed to handle even larger messes, providing a reliable solution for waste disposal. Ideal for dog owners who want convenience and quality in managing their pet's waste. The Bedsure Orthopedic Dog Bed for medium dogs offers a supportive and comfortable resting spot with its foam-filled design, perfect for relieving joint pressure. The bed features a waterproof lining to protect against accidents and a removable, washable cover for easy cleaning. Its non-skid bottom ensures stability, making it ideal for active pets. Measuring 28 inches, this gray sofa-style bed provides a cozy, durable space for medium-sized dogs to relax. The oneisall dog hair vacuum and dog grooming kit offers a complete pet care solution with a powerful pet grooming vacuum and 7 grooming tools, including a pet clipper and nail grinder. This 1.5-liter dust cup vacuum efficiently collects shedding hair while grooming, reducing mess in your home. Ideal for maintaining your pet's coat and keeping your space clean, it's perfect for dogs of all hair types and makes grooming at home easy and effective.